The ship of Theseus is magnificent, but one piece at a time is replaced until every piece is new. At what point is it no longer the ship of Theseus? And what about the parts removed? Do they reconstruct the ship of Theseus? Or are there now two? Thousands of years of human philosophy cannot answer the ship of Theseus. But what if the ship was already perfect, and still, one by one, the parts are replaced? Can something perfect ever be improved with change? The drip is one thing, this won't hurt the ship. A 1000 amp controller and an 81 volt battery could secure the treasure, or lose it all. This is my ship, the Surron Ultrabee. Larger than the Surron Lightbee, smaller than the Stark Varg. A healthy middle ground with just enough power to leave it stock, but large enough in size to consider doubling it. The controller is the brain of the bike, and for $1,200, I'm giving it an upgrade. The ebmx X9000 V3 is plug and play, with enough capacity to fry the motor. It's easy, it comes with the mounts, it's nothing like installing a BAC controller on a Lightbee. With all this new power, the Thrill Seeker seat cover is going to help keep me from flying off the back. I also got a white one for the Stark and a black one for my other Stark. I'm trying to staple it on as tight as possible. The 81 volt 80 amp hour Chai battery is a $2,800 monster that fills every square millimeter of space. But even with the latch extension, the seat fits perfectly and the ship is complete. I'm loading to the side of the truck bed because I'm leaving space for a special Ultrabee guest.
My name is Ultraryder. I am 15 years old, and one of the main reasons why I like to ride bikes, it quiets my mind, and the freedom, it's just amazing. So far, this bike has just about $2,000 worth of modifications. I have supermotos, 17-inch rims, seat cover, foot brake, upgraded mounts, brake pads, rotors. Nothing too crazy, just enough so I can go crazy on the wheelies. Brand new, hopefully I don't clap it out like my last one.
I brought gloves this time. Alpine Star's been supporting. The battery pushes the plastic out, it like barely fits. I can already see it breaking through the plastic.
Yeah.
But I love the prickly motor cover and pegs matching the wheels.
Beauty.
Let's have some fun. This is literally my first ride on it. It doesn't seem like my stock controls work, so I have to use the app. Power level 1. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Did I just go backwards? I gotta change the motor direction here, clockwise. This should go straight this time. There we go. Hey, we're out. Oh, you're just getting warmed up with the no-hander. I'm gonna go up one more power mode. My first time on this controller. Oh, I need to turn it way up. Level 3. No! I'm just gonna turn everything to the max. This feels so slow. I want more power! Max it out. Oh, this is gonna be it. I just turned everything all the way up. We'll race right here. Ready on the green.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, this isn't even remotely as powerful as it should be. Dude, no way! Here, we'll turn right here. Turn right. Oh, shit. My shoe. Thanks, dude. Hold on. I'm just not close to full power. We're cruising downtown to go meet up with some friends. Everyone's on Ultrabees today, Ultrabees only. Hopefully someone can show me how to tune this. It's just the bike feels so good stock. The stock Ultrabee is a perfect bike. Hey, it's a little squeaky on the brakes right now. I'm just afraid that by throwing all these upgrades on and making the bike heavier, it might no longer be perfect, you know? Now he's 6'4", so he makes the Ultrabee look like a Lightbee, but it's a big bike. It fits him perfectly. Damn, no hands. Like imagine just being up there like this.
Scariest part of LA street, there's like 17 potholes right What's up, my boy?
What's up, dude? This is how it calibrates the motor. It spins the wheel until it finds the hall sensor. Yes, dude, I love the color. Nah, it chugs out. When I'm full throttle, it goes grrrr.
It sounds like grrrr.
Yeah, you hear it.
What the hell?
I'm gonna let Caesar figure this one out. You made it, man. I'm so glad. Hey, do you want to try it?
Yeah. Are you surronster?
Yeah.
I'm a speed limiter.
Speed limiter? No way that speed limit was at 28. Make it 100. It feels a lot better.
Yeah, it should be tough.
Yeah, this feels great. We got the Ultrabees out and the Stark. Ultraryder LAE ride 5.0 mat. Last seen on the Razor. Hey, unmanageable. Wait, what's your tag now?
It's 5-star rider.
5-star rider. Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Yesterday I was breathing again, floating slowly, going through. I want to be there again, but can't sit here and pretend you're gone. It's so
Come ride with us. Oh, I thought it was a Tudio. It's not. It's something else. What brand is that?
Window.
Window? Window. I can't wheelie it. I'm disappointed. I can't get the full power out of this. Bro, one hand, by the way.
Get that
You think I can keep it up? Yeah. Ah, no power.
Let's race on the green.
Let's race. I actually do have some practice from the whole shotting at the dirt races now.
It's got launch mode.
It doesn't feel any more powerful than stock. One more time, I almost wheelied into you. I'm sitting on the lid. Balls to battery. Balls to bars is crazy. Yeah, see, those are all Ultrabees. I've got the most expensive, powerful setup. No hands. One hand. I mean, that is just art. You need some kind of award, bro. You're just amazing with it. I love watching you do that. Just effortless. So much control.
Thank you.
Ultraryder, absolutely insane, dude. Like, after sliding out on the Stark, I'm never trusting my tires as much as he just trusted them. One hand, no brake. Hey, they put their party lights on for us. I've got instructions from ebmx on how to get the most out of the Ultrabee, so I'm unboxing this new Arctic Leopard as my backup in case the motor blows in testing. The stock Surron motor should handle double the stock power, but just barely. This Arctic Leopard's cloned Ultrabee brakes, massive 60 amp hour battery, and 28 kilowatts of power is not normal. I played around all with the settings with ebmx's advice. Got it in race mode. The controls should work, but they still don't, so I'm using the app to go into the highest power mode. Clicking, clicking. Okay, that's fire. Beautiful location to be testing. Okay, I'm gonna slow down, I'm gonna slow down. I gotta keep tuning it. It is definitely powerful. Here we go. Woo! Alright, way faster! Oh! Oh! Oh, this is... Okay, definitely an improvement! This thing is so fast! But it doesn't... Like, I'm not even going that fast right now. I should be able to pop it up. I can't. I'm disappointed. Not worth the $3,000–$4,000 I just put into the bike. You can also put an upgraded motor, which I was supposed to get 6 months ago. Never ended up getting the upgraded ebmx motor, but that would also unlock a whole other level. I was told the stock Surron motor, the one I'm on right now, should be absolutely throwing me off the back. It's definitely fast. It's much faster, but it's not throwing me out. Like, I want to be able to wheelie right here. There's no way. Damn. Literally. I feel like I should have just left it stock. It wheelied way better stock. Couple updates from the last angry dad encounter. All the top comments wanted me to press charges. There were multiple points in that whole experience where all I wanted to do was press charges. But because of the update I have right now, I'm glad I did not do that. The very next day after that interaction, he went to go buy a new helmet with his parents. Why the next day would he need a new helmet? Maybe because they know he was caught committing a crime in that one? Anyway, they went to go buy a new helmet. Then they went to go get some work on his bike, and this is where it becomes really positive, and I'm very happy to share this. While they're there getting work done on the bike, my friend and the dad are talking, and this comes up in conversation. And by the end of the conversation, the dad totally understands what was going on. He understands what his son did, why I came, why I had my helmet on, and he said, I'm gonna apologize to him, being me, and I'm gonna, you know, there's gonna be some consequences for my son. And that is all I wanted from the entire situation. If I pressed charges, nothing positive would have come of this. But this was positive. Yeah, so that's the best burnout it's done yet. It's kind of a good test. I was going too fast. We missed the trailhead. It's over here. There it is. I think this is the trailhead. And I got the prickly on there. See ya, Hayden? Looking good? We're on the Arctic Leopard Pro R. Ultrabee brakes. Pretty much Ultrabee battery. Massive battery. It's a good looking bike. All right, let's send it. Oh, shit.
How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Hey, reason why I'm here is because you guys are riding illegally on a dirt trail.
You got us right as we were trying to see if it even was a trail. It doesn't look like it goes anywhere, but I tototally understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
You didn't go up? No. Okay. No. You did though?
I did. I went to just where you saw me.
Okay. Well, what kind of bike is this?
This is an electric Arctic Leopard.
Okay. Are you aware of the laws regarding these?
I know they're not supposed to be in the street, which is why we're looking to get into the dirt. I'm willing to accept whatever enforcement is required.
Pitch ID?
Yeah. Actually, it's in my truck. I don't have it. I could give you my information, but...
So you guys drove up from your truck though? So a couple of things, you know, you guys are operating illegally on the highway, non-street legal vehicles, okay? That's an issue. And then taking it on that trail, that's a violation of our motor vehicle use map. We have a motor vehicle use map telling you exactly where you can and can't operate a vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Sir, I'll start with your last name. How tall are you? Brown hair. What's your address?
Damn, that was the shortest trail ride I've ever done. This is a new spot. I didn't even think to check.
Yeah.
I get it, dude. Like, I really respect it out here. I don't want to cause any problems. It's really pretty out here. Damn, they really got me in the system now. I was a ghost. I could hear them saying my information over the radio. Should I say we got dropped off here instead of saying we rode here? Because I was like admitting to a crime.
So, I'm an avid mountain biker.
Nice.
I love the trails. I love all that stuff. So there's some things I understand. E-bikes, however, from my knowledge up to what's a top miles that this one reaches?
This is above the 28 mile, yeah.
So you guys are aware of that.
Yeah.
And I do know these cannot be registered by the DMV. DMV won't register. So they don't have a plate. They're not registered, making them inoperable on the streets.
We could like never come back here.
Wait, let him finish, Jim. Let him.
Multiple violations going on here, okay? I'm gonna warn about operating a non-street legal vehicle on the state highway. This is a state highway.
Thank you for that. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will cite you for violating the motor vehicle use map.
I accept it.
I'd like to follow you guys. Load it into the car and just keep it safe and all that.
Absolutely.
Not allowing you to further, you know what I mean? So it's a federal citation, it's not a state cite, okay? Meaning that there's a collateral forfeiture amount. It's gonna be a collateral forfeiture of $. I'm not seizing and towing, impounding these things. We are supposed to, okay?
Thank you.
With it being a federal site, you have a court date of August 5th, 2026 at 9 o'clock, Los Angeles, California, downtown LA. it's going to be provided on your copy of the ticket. By signing, you're not admitting to any type of guilt. You're just acknowledging that you will take care of this.
Yes, sir. Well, this is an interesting test ride now with the Escort. Nah, take your time, bro. Take your time. Fun fact of the day. Flammable and inflammable mean the same thing. We still have this federal officer behind us. I don't know how fast I should be going. It's so nice he didn't give me a ticket for street riding. That would have been such a pain in the ass. That ends up affecting your driver's license, your insurance. That's why people run, because you can get one ticket. This happened to me. I got a ticket pulling out of a parking lot in my car. I turned left out of the parking lot. Apparently that's criminal. I got a $600 ticket. I thought that sucked. It did suck. But you know what sucked more? My car insurance went up by $300 a month. Forever. I called them. I was like, when is this gonna reset? It was a small ticket. Like maybe 10 years from now the insurance goes down. They said, nope. Your insurance will always be $300 a month higher. And I was like, fine, f you, I'm gonna switch to another insurance. And they already had it in their system. They gave me the same exact quote. That's why people run, because imagine that's getting a ticket pulling out of the parking lot. Now imagine getting a ticket for uninsured, unregistered, reckless driving. Oh, we boy. Where? He's coming right behind us. Seriously? Yeah, we told him you were waiting here and that he may as well ticket all of us because we got caught. Oh, so. Fuck, I'm out. Did he not follow us? Let's put this into the highest power mode. Holy shit. Whoa. 27 kilowatts. I mean, that is just a ton of power. On a platform like this, who needs 27 kilowatts? I think the eRide Pro 3.0 at 15 kilowatts is the perfect amount of power. For me, personally, that's the one I race. That's the one I trail ride. That's the one I street ride. This bike I'm on, it is nearly double. And the battery is massive, but because we're pulling so much power, I'm not seeing crazy range. Kind of like is reasonable range. We're at 57% right now. Hey, sorry. I got one more friend coming behind me. Have a great hike. It used to be that the only way to get this kind of power, I know I'm not using all of it right now because I'm in the dirt, but you had to build it out yourself. Here I am building out the Ultrabee, and this bike feels more powerful than what I just built. It's kind of pissing me off. Like, what did I just waste $4,000 on if I was chasing power? This is right here. Isn't it crazy that the air coming out of these tires is straight Chinese air? Straight from Zhonghua. Smell the hot pot. Oh, way more traction now. Oh, here we go, full throttle. Oh, it cut out. Bam, it just fully died. So the reason allegedly the bike was shutting off is because everyone's trying to sell these out the back of the factory on the gray market. So the owner of the company said, F you want to buy it on the gray market? Your bike's not going to work. You got to come to me to unlock it. But then it's like, okay, how long until people just realize how to unlock it, you know?
Yesterday I was breathing again.
In this video, we upgraded the Ultrabee, tested with ultraryder, 5-star rider, LAE rides, and the gang, but couldn't get full power. The next day, we got more power, but not enough to wheelie. A federal ticket and court date, and a test run on the new Arctic Leopard Pro R. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. Stay tuned.
Yeah.